So let's start working with this project, and I'm gonna download this Bootstrap 4 starter template. This is a template that I have done for this course. It will contain the latest version of Bootstrap, so this way you can start working really fast in your project. So if you have already installed Git and you know how to clone a repo, you can clone this. Or if you don't have any experience with GitHub, you can click here on download zip. So let's download this file, and this will be in the downloads folder. So next you can decompress this file once it has been downloaded, and I'm gonna drag and drop this into my desktop. This way I can start working from here. You can see that I have added some instructions: download this repo, decompress, change the directory name. We're gonna name this, for example, Carolina, which is the name of the spa that we're gonna be building in this course. And finally, we have built something great. So let's open this, and now you can see that we have some files. You can remove this README. This one contains this information, so you can remove this. And next, you can see the structure of this project. We have a CSS folder, we have an IMG folder, and we have a JavaScript folders. So let's open this in our editor before we start working and before we start adding some code. And for the rest of the course, I'm gonna be using Atom again. And here we have the structure. You can open the index.html and you can see that we have a comment that says add your HTML here. So this is the place where you will be writing all the HTML. You have Bootstrap right here, you have the styles.css. You can open this and you will find that it contains a file that says add your styles here. Next, you have a light version of jQuery. We have Tether and Bootstrap. We also have scripts.js. You can open this scripts.js and you will find add your scripts here. So this is a starter template that I have developed for this course. Before we finish, let's move these Carolina images. These files are going to be available for download in the course materials, so you can copy this and paste in the IMG folder. So these images are the images that we're going to be using to develop this website. So now we're ready to start working. In the next video, we're going to start writing the CSS and the HTML for this project. So see you in the next video.